Oh my, oh my, oh my. Rainy, 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 rainy day. Wowzers. So nice here. Upstate New York. April 15th, 2026. Ah, spring, rain. Isn't it lovely? Isn't it absolutely, positively lovely? I would say. Ah, so soothing and calm. Look how beautiful the grass is. We had such a dreary long winter. And now look, the rain is washing it all away. All the old debris of wintertime. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. I'm just glad to see this beautiful carpet of green. Oh, so beautiful. Oh. Hmm. The sound alone is hypnotizing.